Neurosom's goal is to bring advanced science to understand the human brain's activity in sleep. We then use this understanding to build simple and effective methods for assessing and improving sleep quality at home. Neurosom scientists have had many years of experience in studying the electrical activity of the brain with our proprietary high-density electroencephalography, EEG. For the most accurate assessment in our research studies, we build mathematical models of each person's head conductivity, including how the surface of the cerebral cortex generates the electrical fields we record at the head surface with painless saline sponge electrodes. It only takes a few EEG electrodes to tell what stage of sleep a person is in. However, to map the unique brain waves to the cortical surface, it is essential to have a high-density EEG, now with 280 electrodes in our patented geodesic head web design. With this technology, we made an interesting discovery. The slow waves of deep sleep seem to be widely distributed as they appear to sweep over the surface of the head in the EEG recording. But when we use an advanced model of the individual's head conductivity to map their origins, we found the big slow waves of deep sleep originate in the ventral limbic areas at the base of the cerebral hemisphere. This unique anatomy turns out to be important in interpreting the essential functions of deep sleep. For example, deep sleep is important to consolidating memory, and these limbic regions are known to be essential to the memory capacity that we need for maintaining sharp mental function during the day. Another example is anxiety. People with anxiety are often chronically lacking in deep sleep. Furthermore, restricting sleep in healthy people causes them to become more anxious during the next day. Seeing this limbic contribution to the slow waves helped explain both the memory impairment and the anxiety increase with the loss of deep sleep. Knowing the neural source of the slow waves gives us the insights to influence them optimally, such as by synchronizing them with small electrical currents applied at the precise time during sleep. We conducted mathematical optimization studies and discovered that once we localized the source of slow waves with high-density EEG, we don't need all 280 electrodes for reasonably precise targeting. Rather, we can select the most effective head positions to apply currents through the head. With these advances in modeling, we were able to synchronize the slow waves with just a few electrodes in a simple headband. Furthermore, because our targeting was optimized, we could enhance deep sleep with half the electrical current strength used in previous, less precisely targeted studies. Synchronizing the slow waves of deep sleep requires precise timing. We were able to implement recent advances in AI called convolutional neural nets. With powerful GPU computing from NVIDIA now available in a nanocomputer at the bedside, we are able to detect and classify a person's stages of sleep from a few channels of EEG in real time with our wireless interface sensor pod, WISP, headband. Once we applied for the key patents for our new inventions, we published our results with external peer review in the scientific literature. These results showed that deep sleep can be extended significantly through the night with the Neurosom electric sleep therapy. The next goal will be to obtain FDA clearance for medical use of Neurosom electric sleep therapy for treating insomnia. We are now running a safety and feasibility clinical trial, and the results so far are replicating the significant improvement of deep sleep in healthy adults with the NEST Neurosom electric sleep therapy protocol delivered with the WISP. We expect to complete this safety and feasibility trial, to publish the results, and to report them to FDA in the next few months. To meet our goal of an FDA pivotal trial with insomnia, and to build a manufacturing, sales, and marketing infrastructure for medical device sales, Neurosom is now seeking a seed investor round of $5 million. With this seed funding, and with our ongoing R&D program funded by NIH and DoD research grants, Neurosom plans not only to bring our current technologies to market, we also want to leverage the accelerating advances in neuroscience, AI, and computational modeling of the human brain to actively explore and commercialize new opportunities for improving the quality of life by improving the quality of human sleep.